If you're locked out of your Windows PC with an error like your PIN is no longer available due to a change in security settings, or something happened and your PIN isn't available, and clicking Set up my PIN doesn't work, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to log back into your PC by enabling the option to use your Windows password. First, press and hold the right Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it, click the Power button at the bottom right corner of your screen and select Restart. If you see a Restart Anyway message, click it. Keep holding the Shift key until you see the Please Wait screen, then let go. Once your PC restarts, you'll see a blue screen. From here, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Choose Command Prompt. When the command prompt window opens, type in Regedit and hit Enter. This will launch the registry editor. In the registry editor, select HKey Local Machine on the left panel. Go to the top menu, click File, and choose Load Hive. Navigate to your hard drive by selecting this PC, then go to Local Disk C. Windows, System32, Configs. Here's a tip. Instead of scrolling through the list manually, you can type the first few letters of the key you're looking for to jump straight to it. Find a key named Software. Select it and click Open. When prompted for a name, type mSoftware and click OK. Now, navigate to this path. HKey Local Machine mSoftware, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, passwordless, device. On the right-hand side, double-click Device Passwordless Build Version. Change the value from 2 to 0 and click OK. Close the registry editor and command prompt. Then click Continue on the blue screen. Your computer will restart. At the login screen, click the Sign In Options button. Select Password and enter your password. That's it. You're back in. If you'd rather not use a PIN anymore, you can remove it. Click on the Windows Start button, then look for Sign In options. Under the PIN section, you can either change your PIN or remove it completely.